Hello and welcome to 90 plus prayers. This is Dr. Ijo once again. Check something. Each year there are two kind of UTME candidates. The I still have time group and the I wish I started earlier group. And guess what? They both start the same group, but they never end. So let's be honest, UTME does not feel scary until it's 2 months to the exam. And that's when you know that you are cooked. So you that you are planning to start your preparation around February or March, just that you are really much to your failure. And what about those that started? They are not panicking, they are preparing. They are not confused, they are confident. That's what starting early does. It gives you control and clarity. And that's a very huge advantage when other people are starting it. So yeah, to that point, they're saying, for Dr. Ido, you prepared for UTME in 2 months. Yes, I did prepare for my UTME in 60 days, but it wasn't my intention. I was just a guy that doesn't give up. I did not plan to take that UTM, but did I take it? Yes, I did. And in fact, it was UTM that got me into medical school. If you want to know like the background story and all what happened, why the main reason why the only time I asked to prepare was just 2 months, just subscribe to the channel and just drop in the comment section that you want to know, and I will make a video on it. So don't say Dr. Edo is your mentor. That if Dr. Edo can actually do it within 2 months, you also can do it. Because have you asked yourself what I was doing before that 2 months? No. I prepared within 2 months, but I didn't start from scratch. In fact, I've written several UTME that I smashed 90% in my physics and chemistry. So I used 2 months for the preparation, but I wasn't learning the basics. I wasn't learning fundamentals. I was only bringing things to my remembrance. So should you start early? Yes, of course. But check something, starting early does not automatically mean you definitely going to score. Starting early only gives you time, right, to cover things that will guarantee you scoring high. So how about those that will be fortunate to start late? Well, they will feel the pressure and they will definitely feel the doubt. However, if they are destined to score really high, they will also fulfill their destiny. Of course, with God, nothing is impossible. Even the word impossible says, I am possible. So, what's my advice to all Jambites? Start now, right now, now. Don't wait. Because crazy things happen to those that are crazy about it. So if you want a very crazy score, just go crazy. And if you want a very lazy score, as in score that will be too lazy to help you apply to a university, just keep reasoning about, right? And wait till tomorrow. And thankfully, tomorrow never comes. Even if you will still have to write 2027 UTM, there's always a tomorrow to start your preparation. Oh, I'm sorry that's hot, right? It's really harsh, but I'm so sorry. We are at 90 plus, and that is 90 plus mentality. We don't do mediocrity, we don't go below our best, because we are raising an army, the extraordinary mind with an outstanding grade, which you can also be part of them if you start now. Our webinar comes up on the 25th, and our free classes for science and non-science follows. I will be there. Christopher, UI law student will be there. Students that have smashed 350, 346, and 340 in their UTME will also be there. So you don't have to join, you just have to ignore, right? Because I will be very happy to make jest of you when you later run back to me and say, Dr. Iro, can 220 study law in you? Now to those who are ready to join the movement, check the description, you will definitely see the link. So join, add your friends, and be ready to win regardless of how the journey goes. So don't forget, this is 90 plus tutorials, and I am Dr. Ido. So you, me, our students, and everybody are limitless. Don't forget, subscribe to our channel and see you on 25. Thank you.